So Qnect was very, very excited to help one of our clients with this project. They came to us on Friday really needing help because they needed to deliver this by Tuesday, shop drawing delivery. So that was quite a difficult task from a Friday night. We decided that the best way to assist them is to do the project ourselves, at least the Qnecting part, and then transfer the model to the detailer somewhere around Sunday. As you can see, it's not a huge platform, but there are a lot of pieces, lots of SKUs, and some complicated erection situations. We discovered as we went along many problems. It didn't go smooth. We didn't just hit button 1, selected the area, hit button 2, and it was done. We started to find beams like these that are in turquoise that did not connect, and realized that with the client's requirement for a 17-inch bolt and the cope on these beams, that they would not connect. So with the client's permission, we were able to upsize these beams to 12-inch beams, and then one by one, we were able to connect each one of these. The same thing occurred with the ones that are in yellow. Again, most of those did not connect, and so we were able to upsize those and achieve the same result. When we were done, we had connected all but 2 or 3 connections. In this particular case, this purple beam, we found that where it was located fell directly on this connection, which made it an impossible condition. And because of the speed and the timing, the client was pretty confident we could move this beam, which we did. Similarly, we found this spot here very difficult, and this beam was even further in, and the client agreed that we should just move this beam. In a later iteration of this model, this was connected, and this was one of the connections that the connection engineer provided using a bent plate. So it took a while to iterate through the process, looking at why did a connection not work, trying to understand why it didn't work, and then ultimately creating the solution to achieve what would be an impossible schedule condition. And here you'll see that we have a stub, and we're able to use a full depth stiffener with an extended shear plate and be able to get that worked through the process. So we delivered the model on Sunday, and by Tuesday, the detailer was able to produce their shop drawings and deliver the drawings for approval. The client could not be happier, and you can understand why. To have achieved this without Qnect was impossible, and at least in the time frame, and for the conventional method, it would have easily taken a week and a half between the connection engineer and the detailer. So we were pretty proud and pleased to assist our client in this way.